All right, ignore these papers for me. This is the second take of this portion of the video. So anyways, let's get right into it. What is len? So len is a function in Python allowing you to get the length of a collection. So that's what it is. It gets the length of a collection. So let's say you have a list, and the list has 10, 20, and 50. Well, that's 1, 2, 3 things in the list. So the len of list A is going to be 3. Now let's say you have a string Jane. As we said earlier, a string is a sequence of characters when we're thinking of it as a collection. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 characters in the string Jane. So that's going to give you 4 as the length. Now how about these two strings? Take a moment to do those. And then after you do that, take a moment of this string, take a look at this string and this list. So anyways, if you got those, the length of Armon is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of CS108 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the reason I put the papers there is because you could kind of see the faded answer, and I forgot that I didn't write the answer under it. So anyways, the length of this string, I am hungry, right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters in I am hungry. So that's going to be 12. And the length of this list, apple, 2, banana, 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 items in the list. So that's going to give you 4. So that's how the len function works. It will basically just give you an integer length of whatever you're trying to take the length of, whether it's a string or a list. You can't really take the length of like an integer. It's only for collection data type. So like an int or like a float, unless you convert it to a string. So if you have like int 8, right? If you have like 8, you convert it to a string 8, the length of string 8, what do you think that's going to be? 1, because it's just one character, right? If you have like len 100, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 characters, so that's 3. So yeah, same thing for like a decimal. Let's say we had len 1.5, right? That's 1, 2, 3 characters, right? So that's the idea.